Watch over bomb for me.
Forward.
Alright, dude, he's right behind me.
I'm watching forward.
Are you serious?
Last man standing. Finish it.
The entire.
For one,
What the hell is
yeah.
that guy shooting at?
Kids, the Bison
Time's
jump.
almost up.
Yeah, this is the Bison Warriors. So.
No bombs down, by the way.
Probably camping a balcony. Yep.
Excellent job, Ghost.
Easy.
Get ready for the next round.
Taro.
You can tell when he has listened to music. You can tell.
Lag? Anybody else getting Xbox lag?
Switching sides.
Is it just me? Am I completely lagging out of fucking Neverland?
Search and destroy. Defend the
That
objective.
show is, that movie's just, I don't even know what that is.
That movie's creepy as shit.
Never continued
So
either, but
weird.
I don't understand it.
I'd like to go A, dude. I'm flanking. I'm already flanking.
Bomb's been planted.
Go for D, go for D, go for D.
One shot. He's one shot on the stairs. Oh, there you go. Oh, thank God.
Give me
bro.
the ace, dude. Give me the ace, dude. Hop the fuck off. I just melted that kid. I love this game.
Bomb defused.
On
This game
360.
fucking sucks.
Excellent job, Ghost. Get ready
Bro,
for
what'd
the
you
next
say?
round.
Breadstick, I didn't hear you, dude.
Bro, like, I literally lit him up, bro.
I
Switching sides.
destroyed him.
No, you
I don't
freaking-
get why I got auto aim on him going down. Did I get
Search and
auto aim on him
destroy.
going down the stairs or up the stairs?
gives a shit, honestly.
Destroy the objective.
Or B again.
got the
I'm gonna,
bomb.
instead of watching that front, Vanny, can you clear
Oh,
that
wait
out?
for
'Cause
the
I'm just gonna
nades
watch
this
her back.
time.
I'm watching her back.
That's
I'm,
right,
really,
there we go.
I'm just gonna sit up here and watch her back.
Camp our
because-
balk, dude.
Yeah, I'm sitting right here. I'm watching flank.
Wait for the nades. Busy.
Mighty Vandy.
Oh, you stole my damn kill, dude.
Time's almost up.
Wow, bro. He came back. He was on a catwalk. He was on our cat. Will you shut up? I'm trying to say it. When you talk over me, I can't. Holy God,
Excellent
bro.
job,
He's-
Ghost.
I
Get ready for
thought
the
I
next
didn't
round.
see him. Why the hell would he be there? How do you go from being our catwalk to right here? Yeah, I heard it. I was like, wait, what?
That kid's
I
no,
thought it was
honestly,
like,
that kid's
I thought it was like
delusional.
a
How didn't
statue.
he see you either?
How do
bro?
you get from
You?
our catwalk to there in 2 seconds?
Search and destroy.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
would
I
have seen
know.
me there.
He would have been like a
I thought it was a
just
statue
blending
or
in,
something. Yeah, I thought it was like a poster.
like a freaking stick.
Bro, I'm a warrior right now. Hold on. I'm rushing at everything.
More like the underground.
Oh, he's one shot! Bomb was in green, bomb was in green, bomb was in green when I died. That's bomb, that's bomb, that's bomb, that's bomb. You got fucking hated.
Excellent job, Ghost. Get ready for the next round.
Got a boom! Hey, aren't these the kids that we lost to a Warthog?
Yeah. We had 6-2
Switching
by
sides.
them.
Why is Sovereign our worst map?
Cause it.
Search and destroy.
It is.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Go check my stairs fast. Hurry. Oh fuck. That was a little bit. Playing A, I'm playing A, I'm playing A. Playing A, dude. Cover me, cover me, cover me. Watch my beat down, watch my beat down, watch my beat down, watch my beat down, watch my beat down.
Bomb's been planted.
In green! One shot! Hey, dude, camp a corner, dude. Let's. Ooh, man. Ira, what are you doing, dude? Honestly.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Sorry, man. You can hop in my wristwatch. Carry you.
Mission accomplished.
I say your wrist watch
Good day's
to make
work.
my jumping bridge.
No, I'll put
Unless
you.
it's a
You
cool
can
one.
put you in my plastic bag, then I'll put you in the backpack, so you'll be double carried.
So I won't fall out.
Yeah. So that all your fat fluids can stay in the bag. Why are they leaving?
Can Yeti
Oh no,
lift
they
the bag?
can't do that. They can't do that. After you play, no, that's against the rules. Yeah, they have to stay on our host. After you play one map on it, you have to stay. Because they're delusional.
Ping draw, send me a message.
No, you can't change host.
Change us. Someone sent a message saying we can't. What?
No, I sent him a message saying no. Because I'm happy that I sent him a message saying, sorry bud, but it's against the rules. After you play one map on this host, we can't switch. Well, I don't understand why they're complaining about it now when they just beat us on first map. Well, I'm not. But we didn't. I basically sent him a message. I said, option A, you forfeit. Option B, you play on our host.
Bro, I swear to God, my friend, oh dude, some people just piss me off, bro. Like literally, this is so frustrating.
What do they think this is, a scrim? We can't just switch hosts.
Yo, yeah, just hit him with the 1-2 post, dude.
I'm about to hit him with the 1-2, bada bing, bada boom.
I'm done. Actually, I don't know. I think
it's
EIT.
always I before E.
No, it's not. Next F after T. Not after.
Damn it. I have it
I'm
wrong.
winning it.
Dude, it's a premium match. You can go look at the rules. If a team does not agree to a good host, they don't have to play the match. So you can either cancel.
If they wanted to switch hosts, they had to do a lag test, which,
No, and
No.
we don't have to agree to it though.
yeah. Now we have to agree to a lag test, but that was before the game started. Now they've already played a map on our host, they can't do the lag
No,
test.
no one was lagging, bro, and I got melted, so I don't even know. They're just. I know obviously they're doing it because they don't want to lose, but like literal terms.
Yeah, you better. I'm going to game chat, dude. The guy sent me
Like,
a voice
can't-
message.
Yeah, he's saying about I'll let Fanny listen to it.
You know what he said? He said these guys sound like fucking 40-year-old birds. He said, "Change host, you moron."
Change host, morons. We told you kids already.
They said,
Rule number 6, buddy. It says if both teams cannot agree to an acceptable host, the ticket must be submitted by both teams to cancel the match.
Haven't seen it. You got an LMFAO, it's a premium match too. Please try to make us forfeit. The admin will make you change host, F.
Rule 5 of matches. Rule 5 of matches says a lag test must be completed.
the lag test must be completed before the game is started.
Apologies, sir. My apologies. I had no idea that we started off with it. Alright, so let's do a lag test, so then I can tell you your host sucks the second time.
Just because you got demolished doesn't mean you have to say shit, bro.
Demolished? Your host
You're
sucks,
taking-
dude. You're douche-jobbing.
And your
Change
gun
your host
feels
or
awful.
dispute. Change your host or dispute, dude. I dropped 10 on you, idiot.
Top 10, you lost.
Yo,
Hold
Ben,
on,
is any of those-
listen. I'm talking to an admin right now. I'll tell you within the next 2 seconds what we're doing. I'm on live support. Okay, well, I'm a premium, idiot.
You are too, idiot.
You're
stupid.
That like premium's gonna like change the whole world.
Spell Daniel wrong too,
Mika.
motherfucker.
Okay, we played first map 1. We played second map and it was a bad host. Well, they beat us.
Bad host. How do they know proof of that is bad host? Oh wow. Then he's gonna say, "Oh, you're supposed to do a lag test before the game." Oh, did we do a lag test before the game?
The second
No, we
match
didn't.
was our lag test.
The game cannot be a lag test. A lag test must be complete. You completed the game. You finished out the game. A lag test, you must leave after you have to leave during the game, dude. You didn't leave. You finished the game. What you done?
Dude,
You
chill
finished
out.
the game.
You telling us to chill, bro, and his boy that's like 40 years old having a heart attack.
Switch host, man. Switch host. Switch host. Switch host,
Ooh,
man.
I'm talking to a ref and you don't believe me, so...
Screenshot.